It's like for some artists, it's easy as ringing a bell.
I love that. And this next artist is a bell ringer with his vocal tone, as well as how he brings in the music into the movement now in this era. Now, this artist grew up listening to his mother and grandmother sing in their home day and night. Several of my mother's and father's relatives are also singers and musicians. I began singing from an early age, so choosing a musical career was an easy choice for me, he says. However, if I didn't do music, I would have become a pediatrician because I love caring for children. This is the one and only Andrew Bell in the building with us.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Greetings, and blessed love. Greetings. Boy, that intro there is something else. Yeah, if I never strong, tears will run onto my eye, you know?
Oh. Well, we're just talking about you. We're just talking about you.
Give thanks.
Welcome to the program, my brother.
Blessed love.
Now, man, for me, everybody know, right? I've known Andrew Bell for years.
Yes.
Yeah. This is friend.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, from day one, when I first heard Andrew's voice and his music, let me tell you something. I'm a singer from
All
then.
right.
True, man.
So it's been a long time in forwarding,
Yes.
but welcome to the platform.
Give thanks, beloved.
And I love the new music. I love the old music. So let's take time and let people get to know.
Yeah, and just a minute too, you know, I'm going to correct you. We're a family.
This,
Like,
bro.
our thing go, like you said,
Way
we
back.
has been sound.
Yes.
When you're in a college, you see what I said,
Yes.
that one.
Yes.
Respect and love, Super Peck, yeah?
Every time, my brother.
Larry,
Yeah, man. Respect. So let's start from the very beginning. You were born in Jamaica.
Yes.
All right. Where in Jamaica were you born?
Yes. St. Andrew, place name St. Andrew.
All right. I know the place well.
Kingston.
I know the place well. Yeah.
Kingston.
Next door to Kingston. You all right?
Yes,
Okay.
Ireland.
All right.
Yeah.
And where did you where in Kingston, St. Andrew were you?
All right. So we're there, Stony Hill,
Okay. All right.
but we're there, so there, Windward Road, 35 Oakland Road, Kingston 11, these places were raised, you know.
All right. So tell us about the family. You have siblings?
Yeah. 3 brothers, 1 sister, one and only McCall, you know. Yeah.
The rose amongst the thorns.
You see, which is right.
Right.
Yeah,
And mommy and daddy?
Yeah. Mommy and daddy. Daddy passed away.
Condolences.
Yeah. 36-year-old. Great man. Man's man, woman's man, real man.
Okay.
You know, mommy's still about.
All right.
Yeah,
Good.
man.
Blessings.
Give thanks,
Blessings.
you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And what was the upgrowing like at that time? You know.
Well, as a youth that is from the ghetto, Mama said, even though you're from the ghetto, you're not of the ghetto. Yes, so being raised, I didn't know 2 sides of the fence, because I tell you this, I couldn't really speak part one of my house I grew up. So
Okay.
speak properly, or you get a back arm, you know?
Right.
And when we go in the streets now, then
You have
we
to
stick
learn.
to the lingo. Yeah. You know what I mean? So it was that type of environment and upbringing.
A proper raised up.
Which is right.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Church youth and all these things, you know?
All right.
Yeah.
Now, you did in the bio it does mention mom was the singer.
Yes.
And was that from the church background with
Yes,
singing? Or
church
just-
background.
Okay.
All my granduncles, all 9 of them, they're all deacons and pastors. So from that background, and then grandma now, excellent vocalist. My mother, excellent vocalist. That's how my ears start get trained,
Yes.
from mama and Miss Ida, you know.
From right there in the house.
And I want to tell it to my father's side also, the Bells, because this is the first time I'm really going to say this. The first producer in America to win a Grammy for producing is my family too. Right? Tom Bell.
Oh, wow. The songwriter.
The great Tom Bell.
Yeah, wow. Epic.
Yeah. Come from Westmoreland.
I did not know there was a Jamaican background. Okay.
Yeah. So it's a 2-sided Yeah,
That's
both sides.
amazing.
Yeah.
You know, because you have some vocalists are great vocalists, but aren't necessarily strongest songwriters,
Right.
right?
Right.
And vice versa.
That's true.
So when you get them blessed from both sides of the tree with it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
You know, no wonder.
It's a gift. The Almighty just give you a gift, you know?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Lady Lalabella.
How do you carry that gift with you everywhere you go? How do you allow the music to introduce you?
All right. I have a saying that I always say. The music, it takes you there. Up
It
in the
speaks
air,
for
right?
itself, yeah.
Yeah, and then people are going to say, where is there? Wherever you go spiritually when that music hit you, right? So I'm knowledgeable that is a gift, right? And then I just allow the spirit to work.
Powerful.
Yeah, I just allow the spirit to work, to do anything, to uplift me, you know, to encourage me, to feed me, you know, to use me. Yeah.
So what is your writing process like? Do you pick from, what your ancestors set as foundation, or do you try to wipe the slate completely clean and do your own unique sound?
Yeah. Environment. Majority of the songs that I write is about me and my life and my walk. Some of them are about what I see. I'll give you an example. I have a song called King Edward's Song. Right? King Edward's song is I was just hanging out in Florida one day with my brother, standing on the corner, and this man come up with an old white dirty shirt, white dirty shoes, and walk up, and this guy that we were talking to know him. So we asked him, who's that guy? He says, a madman. So I said, a madman. So when the man come a little closer, he was singing some beautiful old hits, you know. And when him stop, him say, education, man, education is the key. So I said, what's your name? Him say, my name King Edward. And him start to remind the brethren of the teachers that they went to school with, and his brother's teachers, and that brethren didn't remember one teacher. But yet him tell me that's
He's
a madman.
Yeah. So right over the spirit hit me. And I said, who are you to say King Edward is crazy? Who are you? Who am I to say King Edward is gone? Just because you don't know his melody, just because you can't sing his song.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
said, yeah.
Tag
said
that time stamp that one right there.
Yeah.
That's
Ooh,
powerful.
That was sweet.
That's sort of creative process, you know. And I dream sometime. And in a dream, I have to get up and hum the hook because it might not come tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll fade.
Yeah. So, you know, the creating process, you know, it varies.
You move with spirit, it seems.
Right. And mostly my story, you know. It's like Mama's Tears. It's my story about my brother.
Ah.
Him passed away. We can't find for how much years we can't find him, and him passed away. And Mama cry inside and out. I'm the only one who see her cry still, because I'm nosy, you know. Yeah, more know what go on. And Mama kind of hide her when she cry. I see her, and I'm say, oh gosh, she cry. I know why. So I'm writing Mama's Tears. See the inspiration. So
Yeah.
again, it varies, you know.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's give them a little piece of
Please.
Mama's Tears.
Oh wow.
How many more tears must Mama cry? Hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must Mama cry? Whoa, hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch her babies fall
The voice of the man, AndrewBell, yo. Mama's Tears. Live and direct right here. APAP Radio bringing it to you. Island Heat Show. Let's go.
Hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must Mama cry? Whoa, hey, and kind of man he turned out to be. He was standing in the wrong place at the wrong time. Never committed a crime in his short lifetime. Mama almost lost her mind when she heard the news. Hey, how many more tears must mama cry?
One more time. I gotta put it up one more time. The thing, Lady Lalabella, there's so many mothers who are experiencing this same sentiment each and every day. You know, this is the brand new Johnny Was. Yeah? AndrewBell, Mama's Tears.
How many more tears must mama cry? Hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must mama cry? Whoa, hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch while they take us for a ride? 9 months and then them shoot him down. He didn't live past the age of 13. Mama never was a witness to see what kind of man he turned out to be. He was standing in the wrong place at the wrong time. Never committed a crime in his short lifetime. Mama almost lost her mind when she heard the news. Hey, how many more tears must mama cry? Whoa, whoa. And how much longer will she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must mama cry? Oh, oh. And how much longer can she stand and watch while they take us for a ride? Straight A student, mama scrub the floors just to pay the rent. Whoa. It pleases mama's eye to see her studying around the table while mama thanking Josh she's willing and able. 3 days later on the evening news, as mama clings to the phone, another baby never made it home. Oh, yeah. How many more tears must mama cry? Oh, oh. And how much longer must she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must mama cry?
That's the voice of the man, AndrewBell.
In the building.
Mama's Tears. How many more tears must mama cry? You know, I mean, we think of the horrific school shootings each and every day. You know, we think about the children who go missing.
Oh, gosh.
You know, and this story he said, innocently in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Straight A student.
You know, so much talent, so much the things of it just gone to waste.
You know, the little girl the other day, she was bullied. She just moved to the neighborhood. Yeah. Fight her. She dropped on the car head. She gone.
That's it.
How many more tears must mama cry?
Now I gotta ask about there's a soulfulness to your sound, your delivery that definitely helps songs like this connect. You know, the message really come across. What are your influences in terms of the style of how you sing and deliver?
All right. Raised in a Christian home. Yeah. Mahalia Jackson. I wasn't really allowed to listen to reggae music in my home.
Okay.
You know, it was Mahalia Jackson. It was Percy Sledge. You know, it was even Bing Crosby.
Okay.
You know, Engelbert Humperdinck. That type, you know, because my grandfather, the way classic, you know. Pure classics. You know, so this type of feel and Isley Brothers and, you know. But what happened is I am extremely emotional.
Okay.
Yeah, me is an emotional cat, right? I'm ashamed of my game. Understand? I was raised by 2 women. Mama, Dada was there.
Yeah.
But mostly Mama and Granny of the hand.
See.
In raising I. So if I love you, you're gonna get extreme love because of that emotion that is within I. You know? If I'm gonna go to war, which is a last resort for me, I'm gonna go extreme also. Either way, He's an extremist. So it's my emotion that push that.
See.
You know, mama, that tender touch. And, you know, out of all my siblings, I'm alone see her cry. And, you know, I'm close to mama too.
Right.
My best friend. So,
Nice.
you know, I'm emotional like her, I get it. And I'm a Bell by blood, not relation. But, you know, genes go. Most of mama genes in me. Let's just put it in percentage. Yeah.
See.
60% mama blood and 40% the Bell.
Yeah. Okay.
So that emotion is what drive me to sing the way I sing. That emotion and that feel, you know?
Yeah. It definitely comes across. Definitely connects. If I would close my eyes and think of a singer that I would it's definitely in a Dennis Brown vibes on the reggae side of things. You know, where there's an effortlessness to how you also deliver. You know, you have to work hard to try sing nice. You know, it's a natural thing. It just, you know, but yet still the emotion and how you deliver. So it's subtle but strong.
Yes, and you know, I always, when I block my reverence, I always give thanks for the gift of music, and are knowledgeable that I am privileged and blessed to have a gift. Especially one like this, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, more time, again, me emotional. More time I think about it, I cry. I might say, but why me? But, you know, don't question the most side. Just control your gift and use it to the best of your ability.
All right. So, how did we get from recognizing the gift as a youth coming up singing to getting to the professional level where you say, all right, this is what I want to now do and pursue as a career?
This was always, I couldn't, even when I'm in the classroom, straight A student, good youth, because my father that killed me with lick anyway, so I'm for balance. But every time I sit down in the classroom and I look through the window, I always see a concert or a show. It's just something where I dream, every night I dream about music. I can't stop visioning myself on a stage. So at the age of, as a matter of fact, I was 15 when I first went into a recording studio.
Okay.
15. The great Earl Moody from Moody's Records and Tapes, an icon in the business. Is my mentor and my teacher.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Can't get no stronger, you know, than that in the hood. Yeah.
And when I got the first taste of the recording studio, why it hit me hard. And I just couldn't stop from there.
Nice.
I just kept recording, and that's how I got actually into the business. And give thanks to Earl Moody, because he taught me everything. He taught me, I used to work in a record store too, and sell records while I go into school.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, and he taught me retail, he taught me points and publishing. But he said one thing, he said the music business is wickeder than politics, you know, so careful, Bell. But it's just, stay humble.
Yeah.
And there's a humility.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Now, you know, you mentioned that, so I'm gonna mention this, okay?
Okay.
In one of our previous conversations, you know, yesteryear, you actually mentioned the fact that you have been robbed for your voice. You know, now that's kind of at first, you know, like, what do you mean? But you've had where you know literally were made to sing or else. Just off of the talent. Tell us a little bit about that.
There's a thing where, I don't know, this gift can also be a curse, which I don't think it is, you know, in the sense of envy. Why are you envying me for my gift?
Right.
You know, and there are people who try to emulate sound, taking my songs. I don't really call names.
No problem. Yeah.
People have done it. People have taken my style.
Yeah.
Where I just changed and something else come, because I'm so open in music. You know, I don't even really want to talk about it, tell the truth. It's a thing where, and then me emotional. You know? So,
right. But the talent is real, and these things have happened where
where people have done things.
Yeah.
You know, I've done dangerous things too, and evil things.
Yeah.
You know,
The struggle of an artist, of a real independent reggae music artist in the game.
Yes, but touch not the Lord God anointed. I do my prophets no harm, so.
Who God bless no man.
I'm here. I'm still here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are speaking with the great Andrew Bell, recording star, international recording reggae music artist, and a friend to myself, a brother.
Oh, yeah, me.
And we are just getting started. Have time to hang out with us for a little bit?
Someone, yes.
All right.
Yes,
So this is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. This is DJ Super Peck alongside
Lady Lalabella. Yes, I actually have a question for Andrew Bell, if I may.
Go right ahead.
Based on what you see on the countdown, you see the new generation has to really be, outlandish, explicit with what they want to showcase in their music. How do you, as someone who is taking a different approach, also try to bring visuals that uplift and encourage others?
All right. I love children, and if the baby or grandma can't listen my music, I don't want to sing it. Right? But that is within I. And as a musician, I also am aware that every musician, singers, players on instruments, have to say or play what is within them. So if it's slacky tidy within you, you have to just say slacky tidy. If it's reality within you, you have to just say reality.
You have to be yourself, regardless of whatever it is.
So, I can't, I'm going to like the artist there. Because some of these artists will sing that again. Some excellent melodies and tones and feel and sound, but they choose and prefer slacky tidies, which is within them. You have to say what is within you. So, I like it. I like it because who am I?
Right.
To tell you what to say.
See.
Musically, But I like it because the melody, and it's creative too.
Yeah.
They are extremely creative.
100%.
Yeah, man.
100%.
Yeah, man.
Now, and I always have to remind myself, right? Don't become the old head. Because I remember the artists that I liked when I was a little younger, them time that mommy wasn't necessarily listening to the same artists or vibing the same way.
Yes. True.
And then even with the passage of time, though, those artists now are at a stage where you see a lot of the 90s songs you can still sing nowadays. It wasn't as explicit.
True.
You understand? So there's artists that maybe back then mom wasn't vibing with, but now she can because the line has moved so far to what is extreme.
Yeah.
Good point.
Everything okay now,
Right.
Everything and everything and anything.
It seems so.
Yeah.
It seems so. Now, Andrew, I've got to ask you. So, you are a Rasta.
Yes.
Tell us about finding Selassie and that transition from your Christian upbringing to Selassie and how that's reflected in your music.
All right. Well, music inside you takes turns and tells stories and tell your life and tell you who you are. I was in a recording studio in the Bronx one day, and I was singing this R&B song, that I wrote. Anything, I will do anything, just about anything. I will do anything for you, anything. And I was hanging out with this Rasta Virgin for a while. Matter of fact, I was working in a vegetarian health restaurant.
Okay.
And the Virgin said to me one day, he said, yo, I get a vision, And you in a vision. I said, for real? He said, yeah. And he said, God tell me if tell you, say, with that voice, you have to sing for him. And it hit me,
Yeah.
It hit me when him said it. I said, John, Star, this is something else. You say from that day, I just noticed my melodies start to change, My lyrical content start to change. I'm a reader, you know, so I start read more, and research more, and it's the more
It's like the spirit just welled up in you.
it take over.
Yeah.
Totally take over. I start looking at life different. I was always a lover of nature. I start to sit down and watch the ants. And unbeknownst to a lot of people, they are the greatest architects on the planet. Ants. That's where architecture start from.
Okay.
Imagine you see a mound of dirt, and underneath it is passages, doorways, segways, escape routes, and it created just off nature, you know. So that just add to everything, and from then on, it's just Rastafari, you know.
See.
And research hard about Rastafari and the lineage, and I find that was me always.
Okay.
Always. I mean, I always want a long year. Real talk. But me never know what that was about.
Okay.
I didn't know as a youth, me always want my year long. But I never really know. Because you know, you're youthful.
Right.
You don't really know what's going on yet. Now me know.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. And you said you in your music, you know,
Yes.
it reflects the positive messages,
Yes.
the storytelling of
Yes.
your journey, your personal journey.
Yes.
Okay.
Because Rastafari is about truth, you know. And you have to tell truth, whether you speak it vertical or you put it vocally with a melody.
Okay.
You have to speak truth. Just like I said, the youth them.
Yeah.
It's like it in them have to speak them truth.
Yeah.
So this is within me. So,
Well, in some, right? Because we see this year's Grammy nominated artists in the reggae category, right? Some young youths who are definitely carrying the banner with positive music forward. The Mortimores, the Jesse Royals, Leela IK nominated, and then Keznamdi taking the win. What did you think about that class of this year's award nominees? And is something like a Grammy something that you aspire to?
It's an excellent group of youths. They carry the message and they represent the culture and they represent Rastafari in the right way, you know. And as far as awards, I have a goal. I would like to set a historical mark in some way, shape, form, or fashion. I don't know what it is yet, whether it be a Grammy, whether it be an Oscar award. You know, maybe the first Jamaican to win an Oscar musically. You know, some kind of goal like that, but it's not an expectation.
Okay.
The expectation is to do the music and do the work.
Right.
And hope that I make a mark historically.
Yes.
Right. Now, and a little bit of Try Me Try.
Yes.
Tell us about that song.
And a little bit of Try Me Try. I was in Jamaica, you know, just walking the streets. Come to Jamaica. I work on my album, so I just walk the streets, you know. I'm see this youth. And the youth said to me, Rasta Jano, you know, say, dig pumpkin and sell and plant pumpkin and cut my finger. Jano Rasta see the bandage upon it, I bust my finger away. It come like it bust the vein on me. I can't hardly dig nothing, I can't make a living and Jano Rasta, give me something, no car. I beg you something. Because Jano Rasta, a little bit of try now. I said, Jano, I'm going to take out everything out of my pocket and give him. I don't know how much it was. Because I'm a sucker for a sad face, though. You know, so
Yeah.
I gave him everything. And it hit me. I said, Jano. I left from this, I take a bus, half a tree. Right? I'm going to say, old lady, Rasta beg you something now? God, no, I never have it, because
You already done.
everything. I said, but John, you know, say, just give everything I'm going to have it. And she said, God bless you, Rasta. And that hit me too. Because when an elder woman said, God bless you,
Yeah, that's our real blessing.
Oh, gosh.
That is our real blessing.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
And that was how a little bit of Try Me Try was created. And also me and the music too will certain things I'm going to go through and a little bit of Try Me Try too.
There you go.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew Bell is here with us on the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. And a little bit of Try Me Try.
Struggling, 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 struggling. The struggle goes on. Struggling, struggling, struggling. And a little bit of try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. They just one blind round them. And a little bit of try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. They just one blind round them. Struggling, 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 struggling.
It's Strugglers Anthem.
Aphorise.
Yeah. Oh, you mean?
Struggling, struggling.
Big, I say, I'm big up to those who really try.
Yes.
You know, not who talk about trying. You know, you cannot without the works, the blessing is nothing. You have to put in the works. Yeah. Andrew Bell and a little bit of Try Me Try. Let's get it.
Try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. They just one blind round there. And a little bit of try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. They just one blind round there. Me just take a dollar. For me wife and me 5 bikini. I've got to get home. Cause a pure hungry belly. You see, there's more sellers than buyers. Yeah, please hear my prayers. Old ladies begging. Instead of schooling, I just pure hustling. And try to stand on my
$50 bill. I gotta pull it one more time. I gotta pull it up. I gotta pull it up one more time.
Struggling.
Oh, yeah, I mean.
struggling. And a little bit of try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry.
When reggae music nice, it's nice, you know. Chano.
Make you feel no pain.
Oh, you mean?
Try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. We just one guy round ya. Me just take a dollar. For me wife and me 5 bikini. I've got to get home. Cause a pure hungry belly. You see, there's more sellers than buyers. Yeah, please hear my prayers. Old ladies begging. Instead of schooling, I just pure hustling. And try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. Be just one lie round ya. And a little bit of try me try to stand on my feet high. And a little bit of cry me cry. Be just one lie round ya. It's a hobby has locked his door. And you see handsome mouth round here doesn't work anymore. Now try to stand on my feet high. And a
Little bit of cry me cry.
be just one blind.
I just want like a little bit of
Y'all gotta go do something.
Yes.
music
Get
sound.
through
Music.
on the other side.
Music.
Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yes, what a voice.
Oh, ja.
Listen,
Voice.
tell me about the production.
All right. How I produce, right? Because I'm a percussionist. I can play percussions. Little bit of keys, and I just pick up a guitar trying to teach myself because I want to be well-rounded.
Okay.
So what I do, the melody come in my head, like the bass line, and I call in a musician and I sing the bass line for him.
Oh wow. Okay.
and then play the bass line. And I call in a guitar player and I sing. And I sing each part for them and then play it.
All right.
And then I say, all right, after I play that now, add you, the musician, into it. And that's how the creative process is.
Okay.
Nice.
Producing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Original. Taking it back.
Yeah. Because
Analog style.
most of the time when the songs come, the melodies, the music, the instruments come into, so I know, say, all right, I want a flute right here. I need an organ, I need
So
an
you
organ
get
sound.
all that download one time.
Yeah. And then I just call in the musician and let it happen.
All right.
Yeah, and good thing I have some excellent musicians, because it's not everybody can feel your feel to interpret the story,
Right.
I was blessed with those that can.
Yes.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Good stuff. Now, and for those who've not seen an Andrew Bell live performance, the man knows how to work a stage as well. Now, where does that come from? Because it's not every artist. Some artists are very great in the studio, right?
Right.
But in terms of that live performance and connecting with their audience, and that there's no stage fright when Andrew Bell is on stage, right?
Right,
And you can,
right.
So how did that come about?
My teacher, again, great Earl Moody, he said, when you leave the recording studio and you enter the stage, he said, if you can't do anything, make sure you can deliver. He said, make sure you can deliver. And vocally, duplicate the studio on the stage. Again, I'm blessed with the gift where it sounds the same
Yes.
in the studio as well as on stage.
Right.
Now, on stage, when I get there, I'm not me, because I have like split personality too. Where I talk to myself occasionally and answer myself too.
Okay.
Yes. So you have Bello, you have AndrewBell, and you have Joseph.
Right.
So I don't know which one gonna hit the stage that day or that night. Because what I do too, when I get backstage, I look at the crowd. And depends on what I see. If I see, for example, if I see that it's the ladies that are really participating more, then AndrewBell going to come out.
Okay.
Vocals, AndrewBell pitch, AndrewBell key, AndrewBell sound, I feel right. And then the spirit, the AndrewBell spirit take over, because it's a different person that,
Okay. All right. So let's find out the difference between Andrew Bell Bello and Joseph Cook.
All right. AndrewBell is the nice, decent people, them boy, people with them raised nice and everything, decent church-going youth.
Yes.
Yeah. And Bello, the bad boy. AndrewBell, the rude boy, the youth where we do certain things what other people wouldn't do, and go outside of AndrewBell.
Yeah.
Bello is the midpoint, the balance. I'm always soft. I'm always
Joseph.
educated. I mean Joseph,
Yeah,
pardon me. Yeah. I'm always educated. I'm always thinking spiritually. Him help keep AndrewBell and Bello well balanced. Hey, Bello, don't go over this. Hey, Bello, no, we don't want you.
Right.
Not today.
Right.
You know what I mean? So Joseph is the God in AndrewBell.
Okay.
Is that God spirit, AndrewBell, that well-raised child that know for read the Bible and know for quoting verses and know the bad boy side, but say no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna stay right here in the middle and relax and be humble, like how the Almighty wants you to be.
See.
Sad.
All right.
So
like
those are the
that.
different, yeah.
What a story. He's so well versed and descriptive in your delivery. I love that. And that brings us to what's next? What can we expect in the future?
I'm currently working on the second album. Second album is the creative process is not slow, but I'm doing it by myself.
Okay.
Well, not by myself, because the Almighty is there.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course. But the timing has to be
But
divine.
you're independent artist, and
Yes.
you're doing the independent
Yes.
way.
And I always take my time to create music. I never rush music. So I'm in the creative process, working on the second album. You know, I'm actually looking to get an orchestra. I have something different in mind for this album. And get
About how many tracks do you think you're looking
well,
at?
it's probably about 15 this time.
Okay.
Probably about 15 tracks
Do you have a title yet?
this time. I want to name it This Life. Because I have a song called This Life, you know. You better deal with this life, or life's gonna deal with you. Yes, it will. You better deal with this life. You see that? Life's gonna deal with you. 'Cause thoughts, it comes and goes. So does longevity. You and me. But I guess you'll never know. Through the windows of my mind, tell me, what do you see? Do you see me? Is my future bright? They say you gotta move mountains for you to make it. What's making it? You gotta leave it all behind. Whoa, life, that straight line is a circle, yes. Treat her right, she won't desert you. Abuse her, and she'll hurt you. Life, that straight line is one circle, yes. Treat her right, she won't desert you. Abuse her, 'cause she'll hurt you. 'Cause you better deal with this life, you see, or life's gonna deal with you.
Yes, indeed.
So that might be the lead track,
Sizzling.
That's how you see how easy they did that, just natural.
Flow.
When you have it, you know. Andrew Bell, phenomenal, my brother.
Thanks.
You said you don't rush the music, so I guess there's no set time yet for the release, or
Okay, the first, because see, Mama's Tears is really what we're focusing on right now.
Okay.
Because of the time, what's going on, the wickedness and viciousness around the earth, and Mama losing her daughter, and she losing her sons, you know, she losing her husband, she losing her loved ones, our nieces, our nephews. So Mama's Tears is the focus right now, but life, I'll give it about maybe 3 more months, I would say.
okay.
Life before, you know, because I don't want one song overshadowing the next, and people don't get. I want them to listen to every single line, every single word, and every single feel.
Are you planning a video for Mother's Cry?
Yes. I'm planning a video for Mama's Tears. We're in negotiations right now.
Okay.
You know, because I like it to be done right. Because when you do the work of the Most High, you have to deal with perfection. You know, yeah, and Bible again says, "As I am perfect, be ye perfect." So we'll try to perfect it.
Yes, I.
No, not try. We're gonna perfect it, and then put it to the road. You know.
Well, you know, alignment will bring you back so that you can debut.
Of course, yes, definitely.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast. I am your host, DJ Superbeck, alongside
Lady Lala Bella.
we have been speaking with the one and only Andrew Bell. Andrew Bell has been living in Atlanta for a while, doing his thing here for a while, and we're about to send him to the universe. All right. So I need everybody right now to get online and get out there and look up Andrew Bell and support the music. All right, support the music, support the artists. Last year, you had a song in the Jamaica International Foreign Song Competition.
Yes.
Called "Blessed Jamaica."
Yes.
Let's give them a little bit of that.
Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, land we love, blessed by the God up above. I'm talking about Jamaica, I'm a son of the soil. No churches that in here per square mile. Singing about Jamaica, land we love, blessed by the God up above. Talking about Jamaica, the woman of the soil. More churches than anywhere per square mile. Now Jamaica is a place we have fruits galore. We eat with belly full and never know so we poor. Natural healing, if you're sick we are the cure. Barefoot when we walk out the door. Talking about Jamaica, land we love, blessed by the God up above. Talking about Jamaica, I'm a son of the soil, more churches than in the University.
True.
Talking about Jamaica, land we love, blessed by the God up above. Talking about Jamaica.
I like songs you can sing along with easy too. You know what I mean? Just catch it like that.
Whoa, Jamaica, Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. Oh, Lord, Jamaica, well. Reggae music, make your body move. It's the place where Stella come catch our groove. The most welcoming place. We embrace everyone. We give our love with an open hand. Come feel the sea breeze, just like a cooling fan. You hear what I say? Come feel the sea breeze, just like a ceiling fan. Yo, I just blessings. We come first. Blessings, loved by the whole universe. Jamaica, land we love.
Lady Lalibella, the man can sing the phone book. And it would it'll chart by iTunes tomorrow. Trust me. AndrewBell, tell the people how they can contact you, follow your career, find your music, everything. Give them all of your socials, all your contact.
I'm on all social media. AndrewBell at Bellos. AndrewBell at Bellos, BELLUS. I'm on everywhere from CD Baby, Instagram, you name it, YouTube. AndrewBell at Bellos. Yeah?
And the focus right now is Mama's Tears.
Yes.
Mama's Tears.
Yes.
Everybody, Mama's Tears.
Go and stream. Buy,
Yes.
support.
Yes.
Thank you so much, brother, for passing by.
Man.
You have a home here. Every time you are ready,
gosh.
you just link and forward in.
It's an honor.
Thank you, my brother from long time.
Yes, I.
Yeah, and Lady Lalibella, like me say, I watch you all the time. And you're right, still, the way you deal with it, you sound like one of the original hosts from Jamaica. We have that pretty sounding of them voice. Because the Jamaican lady, them have a little way of them talk. With pretty.
song.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you have to listen to them. So
Signature, stand
yeah,
out.
man,
don't you?
yes,
You hear that,
beloved,
Mr.
man,
V?
tell you. So give thanks, man, I tell you. I really appreciate love what I do because there's not many people really, especially in Atlanta, is pushing AndrewBell. You know what I mean? So I give thanks for this medium and what you guys do. And phone work important to them. When you look at your work like it's a normal work. It's important, my youth. Yeah, man, it's important because I keep you informed, I keep you up to date, right? I keep you aware. And I keep as Vibes Cartel say up to the time. You know what I mean?
Time is modern.
Yeah, man. Respect and love, man.
Give thanks. I gotta give him a little more touch. I gotta get one more. I gotta give him one more. I gotta give him one more touch. Got Mama cry at the thing. Let's go right now. Mama's Tears, everybody. Mama Tears.
Must mama cry? Hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside? How many more tears must mama cry? Whoa, hey, and how much longer must she stand and watch while they take us for a ride? 9 months and then them shoot him down. He didn't live past the age of 13. Mama never was a witness to see what kind of man he turned out to be. He was standing in the wrong place at the wrong time. Never committed a crime in his short lifetime. Mama almost lost her mind when she heard the news. Hey, how many more tears must mama cry? Whoa. And how much longer will she stand and watch her son fall by the wayside?
Yes, indeed.
How many more tears?
The voice of AndrewBell.